Good morning. Here you can see the topic Apeirogon. 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 Apeirogon is defined as a polygon of infinite sides, infinite number of sides. Apeirogon is defined as a polygon of infinite number of sides. And in my previous video, one of my previous video, I have shown you the derivation of the formula of what? Area of a polygon. Okay, that formula was derived, and the formula was n x square by 4 cot pi by n. Okay, is that visible or not? Yeah, this is not clearly visible. This is not visible. I am once again writing here n x square by 4 cot pi by n. Okay, is that visible? Yeah, the black color is visible. Okay. Anyway, so this is the formula, okay, for a polygon. Now, a circle can be considered. If I draw this circle, and if you draw a polygon inside this circle like this, okay, like this, if you draw a polygon inside the circle, then here for this case, what I have drawn here for this case, these sides are having finite lengths, and in between these 2 points, this point and this point, if you consider, there is an arc along the circumference of the circle, and this is a straight line. But if you take this point not at this distance, but at a very small distance of the previous point, means distance between this point and this point is very small. It is infinitesimally small. Okay, if this be the case, in that case, number of sides of this polygon will be infinite. Number of sides of this polygon will be infinite, and when these 2 points are very close to each other, in that case, this arc over the circumference of the circle and this straight line will be same. They will be approaching each other, okay? They will be same. Okay? So, this circle can be thought of as a polygon having infinite number of sides. And we are going to use this formula to calculate or to derive the area of this circle. You know the formula for area of a circle, that is pi r square, where r is the radius. That is not you. But we are going to derive that formula by using this one. Okay, the link of this video where this was discussed, derivation of this formula was discussed, that will be given in the description box of this video. Okay, so here we are going to do the same thing. Okay, we are using this formula, we are going to use this formula to derive the area of a circle. So what we need to do, we have to consider this n to be infinite. Okay, and you know this is pi, so since this is pi, so pi is a finite number, so finite number divided by infinity is what? That is 0. So when n approaches or n tends to infinity, when n tends to infinity, pi by n tends to 0. Now assume pi by n, this is equal to theta. Okay, instead of pi by n, we are going to write theta. So when n tends to infinity, theta tends to 0. Right? Am I right? When n tends to infinity, theta tends to 0. So what? So we are going to use this formula now. So area A for here, area of the circle, that is equal to limit first you write this way, limit n tends to infinity, you write the formula nx square by 4 cot pi by n. Okay, cot pi by n. You write that one. Then you replace this pi by n by theta. Okay, so this will become cot theta. Okay, so here you write this way, limit n tends to infinity. You do not change this n, keep it here as it is, nx square by 4, right? And here this is cot, so this is cos by sine, am I right? Cos by sine. So cos theta divided by sine theta. Okay, cos theta by sine theta, where theta is equal to pi by n. Again you write here one extra theta, sine theta by theta, and here you write theta. So this theta and this theta are cancelled. So there is actually no change. Okay. Now theta tends to what? You know theta tends to 0. So we know that when theta tends to 0, cos theta becomes 1. And when theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta becomes 1. So here you can write this way, limit theta tends to 0. Here also you put this limit theta tends to 0. Okay. Limit theta tends to 0, cos theta is 1. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta is 1. So this is what? Limit n tends to infinity. Okay, n tends to infinity. This is nx square by 4. Nx square by 4. So this is 1. This is also 1. 1. This is 1. And 1 theta is there. Right here separately 1 by theta. Alright. Okay, now next part I am writing here. Okay, so that is equal to, means area is equal to what? Limit n tends to infinity, and this is 1 upon theta. Okay, so 1 upon theta is what? From here it is n by pi. N by pi, just reciprocal of this. So nx square by 4 was there, nx square by 4, and 1 by theta is n by pi. So n by pi, you write it here. So this becomes what? N into n square. Here x square is there. So nx whole square. So here you write limit n tends to infinity nx whole square divided by this 4 pi. Am I right? Let me once again check whether everything is visible or not. Yeah, everything is visible. Okay. Everything is visible. So this is nx whole square by 4 pi. Now nx is what? X is what? X is the side length. X is the side length. And n is number of sides. So side length multiplied by number of sides is equal to what? That is equal to actually periphery or the circumference of the given circle. Am I right? Number of sides multiplied by the side lengths, that is equal to circumference of the polygon. And since n is infinity, so circumference of the polygon and the circumference of the circle are same. So nx is equal to periphery of the circumference of the circle, and circumference of the circle is equal to what? That is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay, so you write that thing. So 2 pi r whole square divided by 4 pi. Okay, so this becomes what? 4 pi square r square. Here 4 pi is there. So this becomes pi r square. And this is known formula. This is known to you, that area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So we can easily prove area of a circle is this much by using this formula. This formula is not for a circle, this is for a polygon. Okay, we have used the concept of replacing a circle by a polygon having infinite number of sides. Okay, so link of this video where this formula was derived will be given in the description box of this video. Okay, and if you find any mistake or if you have any queries, then please write in the comment box of the concerned video. Okay. Anyway, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.